In this video, I'll be telling you about how to reply our second part of the questions, that journal question types. So before that, let's brief some important tips for speaking once again. The first point is be spontaneous. Again, you have to take the initiative, you have to be spontaneous in your speaking, in your replies. Not to learn what you are going to speak. As I have told you earlier, that never cram anything, never parroting anything, that you have to speak in the interview. So before that, usually what you have to do, come out with the learning, come out with the ideas that you can give or you can speak in the interview. Next is speak naturally. As I have told you earlier, that when you are in the interview, talk more about your life experiences rather than saying or framing any fake stories. Talk fluently. Again, if we are having a grip on our English and we are quite fluent in English, so we'll be able to talk fluently in the interview. Learn grammar. Again, grammar is the main portion on which you will be judged. Plus, you will be getting your band score. So, grammar is must in speaking. Use vocabulary. Use descriptive words, variety of words when you are in the interview. Try to add linking words, connectors, discourse markers in your speaking. Use idiom, phrases, sayings, but again, not in excess. So let's take an example. For example, the interviewer asks you about something related to food. So the questions will be continuing to that. And the question he puts to you is, what is your favorite dish? So how we can reply to this? For example, I love dosa a lot. Luckily, I have had the privilege to actually eat a lot of varieties of dosa. I had an onion dosa, peas dosa, khara dosa, and then the basic masala dosa. Also, there is a puri dosa and lot more. My favorite would be the onion dosa. So this way you can answer to the particular question. Any dish, if you the one you are having your favorite one, you can reply. Next question will be related to this is, what kind of food do you like? Now let's take the sample answers of this कि आपको किस टाइप का फूड पसंद है, किस तरीके का फूड आप पसंद करते हैं, right? So the one answer could be like this: I like South Indian food very much. I think apart from being light, it is very healthy and one of the digestive food very well, since it is not very spicy. So as I say you that you have to add connectors, so you can see that they have add or used linking word here, that's apart from being, right? And since it is not very spicy. So two reasoning they have given with the connectors, right? So this is one of the way to give the reply. Next is, what is your main meal of the day? Now again the different answers can be there. The one answer could be like this: my main meal is during the lunch time. I usually have either rice or chapati during this time. Along with them, again using a connector, I like having dal, or you can say lentil curry, vegetables and curd and a sweet dish too. Or the answer could be like this: my main meal of the day is the breakfast. I prefer eating a heavy breakfast, so it includes paratha with some curry and curd. Also, again see they are adding the connector. I like having a big glass of milk. So can you cook? The next answer will be, can you cook? आप cook कर सकते हैं? So the answer would be like this: yes, I can cook the basic everyday food necessary to be alive, but when it comes to making those cuisines and flurry food, I am not very good at it. Now you will be getting that what are cuisines, right? Again they have used vocabulary. Cuisines means variety of food, right? The different dishes that we eat or taste in a life. Next question reply can be like this. Apart from the everyday food required to be alive, I really cannot cook anything else. But very soon I am planning to join a cookery class to learn cooking. Or one answer could be like this. If making Maggie counts in cooking, I would say yes, I can cook. But otherwise, no, I really cannot cook. I can only prepare some snacks or tea and Maggie, but nothing else. See, these are the three sample answers you can give to this particular question, that can you cook, right? So you can choose any one of them.
इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए थैंक यू। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है तो इसे लाइक और शेयर करें। सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल न भूलें। अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में उसे लिखें, हम जल्दी ही उसका रिप्लाई देंगे।